The job market for machinists, tool and die, and to be honest with you, for skilled trades overall, is exceptional right now. In my lifetime, I haven't seen it as good everywhere you go. What we find is that those who work with their hands in these capacities have extremely high job satisfaction rates. They enjoy what they do because they get to see the fruits of their labors before they leave. They're not just pushing paper, from one pile to another. They're actually making things that they can see on the road. Hi, I'm Quinton Roberts, Dean of Workforce and Community Services at Owens Community College in the Toledo area, specifically Perrysburg, Ohio. Having a new building like this has reinforced to students that this is not your grandfather's tool and die shop or machine shop. This is truly the era of advanced manufacturing. We're standing in the Gene Haas Machine Lab. It's named after Gene Haas because of a generous donation from the Haas Foundation. The partnership that Owens Community College and Gene Haas Foundation and the Haas Company enjoy is historic. Why? Because Haas really dedicate a lot of resources to education, not just the industry. And so the students learn on Haas machines in school, and when they get to industry, they're able to really move seamlessly from school on into industry. They come in there as job ready.
What the students really like is to be able to be on the computer and design and modify and work with some in 3D model, and then apply that. So it's from A to B, that connection of, hey, I have an idea, I want to draw it up, now I got to go make it. And that's what they get excited about because technology has moved so fast.
We service students who are coming from what I'll call your traditional high school students, straight from high school on into college. But we have about 60 companies or so that we service who actually send students to us, specifically for the trades. We've really developed a lot of expertise in the trades, and machining is no exception.
Hi, I'm Ryan Mazie, owner of White Tool and Die here in Toledo, Ohio. We just celebrated our 10th year in business. I went to Owens myself, and every employee has an opportunity for us to pay for them to go to school there. It makes more sense for us to also have the Haas brand here because they have a tech center where they're training all the kids from right out of high school, going to college, and they're walking right into the shop and they're running machines.
If I were to summarize what the relationship is between Owens Community College and Haas, it is one that we have enjoyed in the past and one that we look forward to continuing to build upon, not just for the good of Owens, but for the betterment of our students and for the region as a whole.